Today's been pretty sweet. We've been out exploring our friend's property, which is just beautiful. There's these amazing gullies, which is surrounded by this dry eucalyptus forest. But in the valleys, there's all these lovely rainforest plants and trees and little waterfalls, and it's just stunning. So we headed out and hung out there, and then we went for a bit of a swim in their beautiful watering hole just to cool off. It's been a hot day, and now we've just dropped our son off to do some of his D&D, and now Jen and I, we've had some dinner, and now we're having a cheeky dessert date in the car. And that wraps up a pretty mellow, chill, but really nice day. See you tomorrow.